Hey, what's up guys, Rado here with Dirt and Iron. Today in this video we are going to get this RMZ 450 engine ready to be rebuilt. So stick around. You don't want to have dirty engine when you're working on it. It has to be nice and clean. So today in this video we are going to clean it, mask all the holes so no water gets in, and then we're gonna use some simple green. Also we're gonna use this aluminum wheel cleaner, some Scotch-Brite, and hit it real nice with pressure washer, and make sure that every single spot is nice and clean. And then I'm gonna show you all the parts I got for this engine to be a little bit better than brand new. First get some Gorilla Tape or duct tape or something else and block all the holes so you don't get water inside the engine. I'll get some simple green, put it inside in here with some water. Also I'll put it in the sprayer so I can spray the engine, and I'll be using this Black Magic aluminum wheel cleaner. Couple different brushes, this one is the big one, and a toothbrush to get into a small spot. And then your Scotch-Brite. Get the engine nice and wet in the beginning, and then start brushing everything off. At the end we will hit it with the pressure washer. It should be nice and clean. Let it sit a little bit, let that simple green work on the dirt. Engine is nice and clean, everything is dry. I would say we are ready to go. There is no dirt that will come, it'll fall inside the engine once we take it apart. Just give you a quick peek, look at the engine. I think it looks pretty good. All these covers here, the ignition cover and the clutch cover are kind of worn out. They have a lot of boot marks, but we are going to replace these and I'll show you what we got for that. I'm super stoked because once this engine is done, it's gonna look pretty good too. Alright, so I'll put this aside. Let me show you what I got. Alright, so first let's start with the pretty things, okay? So we got these Hinson clutch components. We got the ignition cover, and then from the other side to match, we got the Hinson clutch cover. So this is going to be, from two sides like that. I think it will look pretty cool. We got that. Then we got Boysen water cooler that I'm quite happy to have too, because it will help to cool the engine, and it also looks pretty nice on the side of the engine. So this would be your water pump, it will look real nice. It will be right next to the clutch like that. It's gonna look really nice. And then that's for the look, and for the performance and stuff, I'm getting complete clutch from Hinson. There's a clutch basket. Then I have a top right here. Now all the parts are here for the clutch. I can put it together. And then right here we got the clutch plates. So once I put this together, it will be really sweet. So clutch will be amazing and super strong. So this engine will have a little more horsepower than the stock engine once we are done. So having a good clutch, I think it's quite important. There is something I'm really pumped to have. This is a Rand Rabbit complete rebuild kit for the engine. Bottom end, top end, stage 2 hot cams. This is really good stuff, guys. So let's look inside. So it comes with pretty much everything you need to rebuild your engine. All the gaskets and seals, everything that you need to put it together. It comes with a sticker. It comes with free air. All right. Now we're getting a transmission bearing kit. Cool. We have a cam chain. So we're gonna have a new cam chain. That's really important. Then we're getting some seals. A little bit more seals here. These are for water pump kit. Actually, I have that already in the Boysen too. Then we are getting this main bearing and seal kit. Look at those bearings. Wow. Cool. Then this kit comes with Vertex piston, and I decided to go with a stock piston. I didn't want to have a high compression. This thing is light. Looks really nice. And I believe it comes with the rings as well. Yeah. Here are the piston rings. Right here. All right, so this is for a top end. This is a hot rod bottom end. Same stuff I have on my KTM. This is a really nice looking crankshaft. Man, I cannot wait. When this engine is done, it will be better than new. It will run so sweet. Alright guys, so looks like that's everything we have for the engine to be rebuilt. One thing I forgot to mention, I don't have it yet here, but it's on the way. It's a complete set OEM valve train from Suzuki. So this bike comes with really good valves stock, and I didn't want to go aftermarket, so we ordered Suzuki OEM valve train, and that should last for a long time. So once we have that, engine will be completely disassembled and we're gonna replace everything, put it back together, and this bad boy should be better than new once it's done. Alright guys, well I think that's about it for today. And yeah, one thing that I forgot to mention, and I put it on the beginning of the video, I'll just put it down on the screen. Today I'm gonna announce the winner of the wheel bearing or linkage bearing or whatever bearing you need for your dirt bike from Factory Links, because this video is sponsored by Factory Links. And I did a drawing, my kids were watching over me, so everything is legit. And let me see what's the name of the guy who is going to get a bearing. So congratulations to Dirt Fire Racing. Alright dude, so Dirt Fire Racing, you are going to get a brand new set of bearing, whatever you need. If I remember correctly, you are riding a KTM 125, so let me know exactly what you need. Send me email, my email is in About Us section on my YouTube channel. Send me email exactly what kind of bearing you need for what kind of bike, send me the year and everything, model, make about the bike, and we're gonna ship it directly to you. Alright guys, I guess that's about it for today. I look forward to do this engine and then, you know, continue working on a bike man, this is going to be really sweet bike once it's done. Alright guys, that's about it for today, and don't forget, whatever you do, stay motivated. See you guys later.